Hello, I'm Lillian and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, a warm welcome to you. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your ceaseless support. Today I bring to you a crowd-pleasing, family-approved grilled fish recipe and I trust you enjoy. Full list of ingredients can be found in the description bar below. So now let's get started. To start off, I'll be preparing my pepper sauce, which will also serve as a marinade for the fish. This marinade is a little spicy, but if you don't like a lot of heat, you can adjust the hot pepper to your taste. I could just add some herbs and spices to this blended mix and it will be good to use as it is. But since we'll also be using it as a dip and pepper sauce for the fish, we'll go a step further and simmer it for a few minutes to intensify the flavor. While the pepper sauce is cooling, we'll prepare the fish. I've already rinsed and cleaned up my fish, like removed the scales and fins, and now I'm dabbing it with a paper towel. I'll also be making a few slashes on the fish to help the fish absorb as much marinade as possible. When rubbing in the marinade, make sure to get it into every open part of the fish, including the slashes and where the guts were. I like to marinate the fish for up to 24 hours before grilling, but if you're short for time, you can do it for at least 1 hour, but the longer the better for a richer taste and flavor. I've preheated my oven for 5 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. Now it's time to take out the marinated fish and grill it in the oven. After about 10 minutes, you can gently flip over the fish so that the other side can get some love too. While the fish is grilling, we'll quickly prepare an easy and tasty vegetable sauce to serve as a rich accompaniment for the fish, and my family really loves it. And now our fish is ready. Just look at this. Crisp on the outside and juicy on the inside. perfectly grilled fish. I truly hope you try out this great fish recipe and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and please click on that like button below and also subscribe. Hit on the bell icon, it's absolutely free. See you in the next video. Remain blessed.